Right, you got no libido, he's frustrated, he feels rejected, so who's doing the work to fix it? You. You're buying the courses, you're doing the healing, you're learning how to be more open, more balanced, more feminine, more sexual, and he's just waiting. Sometimes with an attitude. So let me ask you, if he's the one suffering, why are you the one paying for the solutions? Why are you the one doing all the work? I know, because deep down, you're the one who still cares more. He complains, sure, but you carry it. You carry the emotional weight, the shame, the guilt, the confusion. And now you're here looking for answers because you're sick of pretending. And I freaking respect that. I have this ridiculous obsession with solving problems, and I see a huge one here, repeated in our groups, on our pages, in our DMs nearly every day. I'll paraphrase it. You work, he waits. Here's something you'll find interesting. I built a program called Passion Without Poison that solves the husband's problem. If he does the course, it will cause a seismic shift in your attraction to him by showing him how to show up in life and marriage in a way that gives him emotional weight and purpose that will literally turn a good man into a great man, a good husband into a great husband. And as a result, you will naturally, magnetically want him again. Enough men have done it. And I can see the analytics, right? What I see is this, and it's just about predictable. You know how you do courses, and you know because you're listening to me that they're generally paced in a way that you can do a video a day. Take it slow, let the lesson land. With these men, they binge all the videos one after another, and then that day they email me something like, Julius, it's like a friggin' miracle. She looked at me today in a way that I thought was lost forever. But that's not the interesting part. The interesting part is this. As part of the sales process, I allowed people to buy the program as a gift for someone else. Wives to buy it as a gift for their husbands. And I can see the analytics for that too. The husbands don't even open that. That's why I built this, what you're about to watch now. And that's why I'm giving it away for free. It's not a journal prompt. It's not about self-love fluff. It's the actual emotional, relational, and sexual mechanics of what happened between you two and how to shift your role in it so hard, he wakes up, he starts to do the work, not because you nagged him, but because he wants to. This course isn't going to make you some soft-spoken, molly-coddling, get on his level and gentle parent him wife mother. He's not climbing into your womb. You don't need to be softer. It's also not going to make you into wifezilla either. You don't need to be harder. It'll make you clearer. You'll stop pretending. You'll stop apologizing. You'll stop nagging. You'll stop performing connection for a man who stopped earning it. And guess what happens when you do that? He starts to feel the gap. He starts to feel your absence, your true energy, not your exhaustion. And if there's anything still alive in that man, he will rise to meet you. And if you've lost all physical desire completely, if your libido's gone, that's where LibiLift comes in. That's Shani's program. It's helped thousands of women reconnect with their own sexual energy in their own body on their own terms. But listen, this course isn't a replacement for LibiLift. This course clears the emotional blockage so that LibiLift has a place to work, because your body can't want what your heart resents. This course will give you the tools to change the emotional energy of your entire marriage. You'll finally see what's going on underneath the silence, the rejection, the shutdown, and how you've been compensating for both of you just to keep the peace. You'll stop managing him. You'll stop parenting him. You'll stop pretending everything's fine when slowly you're going numb. And when you start moving differently, he'll feel it. This course will give you 4 things. A way to shift your role without saying a word. The strength to stop holding it all together for both of you. The language to say exactly what's been missing without shame or self-abandonment, and a blueprint for how to rebuild polarity without lowering your standards or becoming someone you're not. You'll stop trying to want him out of guilt and start becoming someone he has to rise to meet. This is the reset, and you're not doing it for him, you're doing it for you. And you can start right now.